So hello guys, and once again welcome back to our course about Shopify and dropshipping and e-commerces. So in today's class, in last classes we talked a lot about AliExpress and importing and taking products from AliExpress and importing them to our store. But the thing is, if you start to copy paste each picture, if you bring the price from AliExpress to your store and all the text and everything, it's gonna take you a lot of time. Plus, if you have, let's say, 100 products that you imported to your store, 100 different products for one product that you imported to your store, you have to track absolutely everything. You have to track the inventory, you have to track each product one by one, which is gonna take you a lot of time. Instead of doing all this, we are going to use an app that we're gonna integrate in our Shopify store. So this way all this will be done automatically without us having to worry about the inventory, the price, and everything. And this app is called Oberlo. So how can we get this app? First thing, when we open up our Shopify, we will be on this page. So simply click on the app. Your Oberlo app should be here. So the first thing you will do, you're gonna visit the Shopify App Store. So if you don't find the app at the first page, just write down oberlo. Here we go. So when you find out this app, simply click on it and click on Add App. Amazing. So when you have, after that, the second thing that you want to do is adding the Chrome extension of Oberlo, because if you don't have it, the app will just not work. So let's go on Google. So what you will write is Oberlo extension. Click on search. First result, click on it. It is going to be this one. So simply click on install, and when it's done, you should have a little Oberlo thing here. So when you install everything, to get access to AliExpress, simply click on find products on AliExpress, and you will be on AliExpress. From here, let's say you wanna buy sunglasses. So we do the search that we have learned to do. Max orders. So as you can see, it's written here, e-packet free, so shipping free, and the little Oberlo thing is here. So simply click on push this product. When you have this extension, it's gonna appear for every product, so you'll be able to push any product you want to your store. So simply click on push this product to store. Here we go. So the product has been imported to your import list. So let's just start with this product, okay? So after that, open import list when you imported all the products that you want. So let's say we have this one, and we have this one that I imported a bit earlier. So what you can do from here, that's your Oberlo dashboard. So that's your Oberlo platform. So that's the dashboard. Then manage products. That's all the products that you can import directly from the Oberlo app without having the Oberlo extension. Then this is your import list. Those are the products that you're gonna push to your store that you imported yourself from AliExpress. When you receive orders, all your orders will be filled up here. So in orders, for the moment, I have nothing because it's a demo account, so there is no orders. So all your orders will be here, and you can fill them up directly by using Oberlo. So let's come back to our import list. From here, we imported our glasses. The first thing we will do, we will change the title of the product. So here you want something that is appealing. Let's say we'll call the product Cool Sun Glasses. Okay. After that, we can add our product to collections. So let's say we added to collection to the collection that we created at first. So there is no type. Tag, we choose if we want to put a tag. For example, if we want to automatically add this product to a certain collection, we can add tags here, as I showed you on in the beginning of this course. If, for example, we want some products to automatically go in a certain collection, we just write down tags. We can do it here, or after that we can do it directly on Shopify. Description. So as you can see, Oberlo imported all the descriptions of the product. So the description of the product that we have on AliExpress of this product is here, as you can see. After that, the variants of the product. So what are those? Those are simply the products that are here. So all of those have been imported to our Oberlo application, and we will import them all to our Shopify. So if we want to delete some variants that we don't like, for example, we don't like the red ones, we can just uncheck it and they will not be imported to our store. After that, if we want to change the SKU, the color and everything, we can do it. For the shipping, it directly enters the price of shipping, which is e-packet. It's this shipping by default. Well, it's AliExpress standard, but we have to choose, usually it's e-packet by default, but if not, you have to choose e-packet. So I'll show you once again. You just click on this one here and you choose e-packet. When it's done, you want to change the prices. So let's say your competitor has a price of let's say $100 per sunglass. So you want to change your prices to, let's say, $90. Here we go. All the prices have been changed to $90. So your profit per sunglass will be $71. And this is compared to another price. So let's say we compare it to 110. So your selling price will be this one, and it's gonna be written compared to 110. Then we simply click on import to store. When this is all done, our product has been imported to Shopify store. So we come back on our Shopify and our product should be here. So here we go. Our product is here, cool sunglasses. As you can see, guys, all the variants are here. If you want to change the tags, if you want to write down tags, if you want to add it to other collections, it's possible. If you want to change the price, once again, it's possible. The quantity of the product is automatically calculated. It's calculated through Oberlo, so if the quantity of the products reach 0, it's gonna automatically write down sold out, so we don't have to track it, which is really amazing. The description of the product, I suggest you to change it, because the descriptions are not always the best on AliExpress. And after that, let's see what it looks like on our store. So come back on online store, customize. Here we go. So collection 2. As you can see, the product is here. As we write it down, listed at $90, and the last price, the regular price is 110. Have the same that we wrote down on Oberlo. All our variants are here. So the blue ones, the brown ones, the red ones, the black ones, everything's here. Once again, those little things here, we have to change them. After that, to select the variant, it's very easy. You just select it right here. If the price of one variant is higher than another, it's very simple. We just change the price on our product, and it's gonna automatically update here. So for example, if the price of this one is $90 and the price of this one will be $100, when we update our price on our product, if the person chooses this product here, it's gonna automatically update from 90 to 100, which is really cool. So as you guys can see, Oberlo is something really useful when you have a Shopify dropshipping store. So let me start, so let me make a summary for you guys, so just to be sure that you all understand. So we start from the beginning. We are on this page. First thing we do, we go on apps, make a quick research on the Shopify App Store, download Oberlo. Here we go, we're gonna be on this page. After that, when it's done, we go on Google extension, we download Oberlo from here, the Google extension. Then very simple, go on AliExpress, look for a product that we want to dropship, find the product, simply import the product. When it's done, open import list. The product is importing. Well, it takes a lot of time. So let's take this one for example. So this product has been imported. Just click on import to store. When it's done, simply go on your store, products. So you'll have all of your products. Go on this product. So if you want to add it on in a certain collection, let's say he's in collection 2, and we also put it on the home page, save. So our product has been added. We also have to edit the price. When it's all done, simply come back on our store, customize, and here we go. Our product has been imported on our store. So as you can see, it's not that hard, and everything is automatically calculated. Everything is imported, and it took me around 1 minute to import one product. So as you can see, guys, don't forget to choose the right shipping method. Always choose e-packet when you are importing products. So it's the one right here. So always choose e-packet. Usually it's $0 if it costs, or if it costs money, it's gonna cost you $1 to $2. What is cool with that is that it has a tracking number, and your product is usually safe with this shipping method, and it doesn't cost too much money. So to finish, everything is directly on Oberlo. So to manage your orders, everything is here. If you want to import products on your Oberlo and not push them to your store, you can do this also. So that's how works Oberlo. And yeah, so see you guys in our next class, where we're gonna learn how to create a multilingual store.